In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We're going to move from a simple Google search all the way to viewing the Euro versus United States dollar chart on TradingView with a simple moving average applied. This is perfect if you're just getting started or you want a clean, repeatable workflow for adding a core technical indicator. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and open the official TradingView website. TradingView is a powerful, browser-based charting platform used by traders and analysts across markets, and the homepage loads quickly on both desktop and mobile. Once you're on TradingView, look for the site-wide search area at the top. Click into that search field. This is where you can find symbols, markets, and assets. If your layout looks a little different, stay calm. TradingView updates its interface from time to time, but the search is always prominent along the top. In the search, type Euro versus United States dollar, or simply EUR/USD. Select the Euro versus United States dollar result to open its chart. EUR/USD is the most traded currency pair in the world, so it's a great example for demonstrating indicators. If you see multiple listings for the same symbol from different data providers or brokers, any standard listing works fine for viewing the chart. With the EUR/USD chart open, look along the top toolbar for the Indicators button and click it. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can find and manage all technical tools. Inside the panel's search box, type Moving Average. You'll see several options, but for this walkthrough, we want the Simple Moving Average. Click on Simple Moving Average. The SMA immediately appears as a smooth line over your chart. It calculates the average price over a set number of periods, which helps you visualize trend direction and smooth out short-term noise. Traders often use it to gauge whether price is generally trending up or down, and to spot areas where price interacts with the average. When you're done adding it, close the Indicators panel using the X so you can see the full chart. Now you should have a clear EUR/USD chart with a simple moving average overlaid, giving you quick, visual context on price behavior. That's the entire process. Start from Google, open TradingView, search for Euro versus United States dollar, add the simple moving average via the Indicators panel, and close the panel to focus on the chart. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your charts with more clarity.